Improving farmer discussion groups. An example of a grassland farmer group in Western Finland. Anu Elle is an advisor for ProAgria. Since 2004, she leads discussion groups on grassland management in Western Finland.
Half of the year we have a lot of snow and cold in Finland, so it's quite difficult to make practical meetings with discussion groups.
Anu's solution? She continuously renewed the model of the discussion group over the years. In the beginning, the participants just studied and talked together, mostly in the wintertime. Then they also started to share their knowledge and results. They analyzed their farm data and made study trips abroad. And finally, they introduced the concept of a monitor farmer within the group.
Monitor farm system is very practical and nice because then we actually go to the farms and compare everything together and make analysis and the results and then decide what to do better.
5 meetings per year are held on a monitor farm. A meeting usually consists of the following parts. The opening. Each participant shares 2 issues which came up between the meetings. Next, a brief introduction about the topic of the day. Then the main part, observing together and sharing practices. Lastly, feedback to the monitor farmer and wrap up by sharing the lessons learned.
Another challenge was that we didn't actually meet anyone outside the own group, so it was mostly the facilitator who gave information outside the own group, but we should really find practices together with the group members.
The solution. In 2011, Anu and other facilitators traveled in Finland and abroad to meet advisors and elite farmers. They learned by observing others and adapted it to their own system.
Facilitating is very different kind of work if you compare to advisory work. So we really had to focus on the facilitating skills and make a network with all the facilitators together in Finland and in Nordic countries as well.
The group model uses 2 facilitators. One facilitator organizes the discussion group meeting, while the other leads the discussion. The benefit? The facilitators learn from each other by reflecting on the meeting. What worked well and what could be improved. They bring a different perspective, facilitation styles, and knowledge to the group.